in this video, I'm going to teach you how to add Newgrounds song in Geometry Dash. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. When you are making a custom stage in Geometry Dash, one of the options to add custom songs or sounds is going to be from Newgrounds. So to do this, access the settings of your custom stage, and you will find the option to select a song. In here, choose Custom. Now you will immediately see the Newgrounds icon. If you select this, then you will have to choose a song ID. To acquire this song ID, go to the Newgrounds website on the audio category. So you can open up a web browser, go to newgrounds.com either on your phone or on a web browser on your PC, and then go to audio here at the top. Now you will find all of the audios. You have specific ratings, so everyone, mature, teen. You have the option to browse through featured, latest, popular, and see your feed, and customize the range, so only audio is posted today, yesterday, throughout the week, and so on. Now, the ID is going to be available when you click on an audio. When you click on an audio, you will see the description about it here, some images, and then all the way at the top, it is going to be available on the link. So in this example, it is 1466790. All that you have to do now is highlight it, copy the link, and once you have it copied, you will be able to go back to Geometry Dash and paste the song ID. Now, sometimes you might see this message, song is not allowed for use. This is a decision made by the creator of the song. If you see this, then sadly you will have to change the ID because the creator does not allow this song to be used in Geometry Dash. Once you choose one that works, you will see this blue icon allowing you to download the song into your map. So choose the option and then let this process finish. This entire bar will be filled out as soon as the song is downloaded, and then it is going to be used for your custom level. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to the channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.